Riya Chakravarti reached DRDO guest house, which is CBI's temporary office in Mumbai, on Sunday morning at around 10:30. This was for the third time that Sushant Singh Rajput's former girlfriend was called by CBI for questioning, and she was also accompanied by her brother Shouvik Chakravarti. Now, today is the third day that Riya Chakravarti is going to be questioned by CBI. What was her line of questioning? What was the line of questioning for her since last couple of days? So, CBI was inquiring and questioning her about her equations with Sushant Singh Rajput. She was the former girlfriend of the actor, and talking about Sushant's family. Sushant's family has made an allegation against the actress that how she used Sushant Singh Rajput for the betterment of her own career. She exploited him for money. That's exactly why when on 25th of July, Bihar police actually took an FIR. Bihar police booked Riya Chakravarti, her family member, and a couple of other people for abetment to suicide, cheating, criminal breach of trust, and wrongful confinement. Now, CBI's case is also based on Bihar police's FIR. That's why when CBI is questioning Riya Chakravarti, their line of questioning is also about her equation with the late actor, because whether or not she was using Sushant's money, whether or not she was controlling his life, whether or not she was controlling his professional aspects or not, all those things were asked to Riya Chakravarti. Apart from that, key witnesses in the case, whether all those people who were present in the house on the day when Sushant Singh Rajput allegedly committed suicide, according to CBI, there are certain inconsistencies in their statements as well. So Riya Chakravarti can also be asked about those inconsistencies, and not just about what happened on 13th or 14th, about what happened in the last 6 months, in the 6 months before the incident. Those will be some of the things about which Riya Chakravarti first was questioned in last couple of days, and today that line of questioning can again continue. Another thing which Riya Chakravarti will be questioned on is going to be the drug angle. Now, there is another central agency, Narcotics Control Bureau, which is actually looking into this angle. But since CBI is questioning Riya Chakravarti, and one of the allegations by Sushant's family have been that how she used to give him certain medicines. That is something which, according to CBI, is raising some suspicions. That's why she will be questioned on those allegations as well, and specifically about some deleted WhatsApp chats which have some mention of drugs. So that can also be one of the line of questioning for CBI. As of now, we are outside the DRDO guest house, where the questioning of Riya Chakravarti continues on the third day. Not just Riya Chakravarti, her brother is also there.